looking at the urinary system in situ, which is made of 4 organs, 2 of which are paired. So we have the right and left kidney, right and left ureter. The ureter comes down and drains into the storage organ, the bladder. That's what we have located here. And then in a moment we'll look at the urethra when we look at a longitudinal section on the male reproductive organs. So right now we're going to take a look at the reproductive organs. This is penis. This is called glans penis at the end. And this whole structure right here is the spermatic cord with its fascia removed so we can see what is in there. So right beneath this fascia is one of the muscles that helps control the temperature of the testes, called the cremaster muscle or cremasteric muscle. Then we remove that layer and we can see a venous supply. It's kind of a network of veins around the artery, nerve, ductus deferens that are located in the spermatic cord, and this is known as the pampiniform plexus. This structure here is the testes. This is right where sperm is produced. Sperm will then move from the testes to this next organ here, which is called the epididymis. The epididymis then is connected to the vas deferens, which travels up the spermatic cord to, and we'll look at the rest of the pathway of that. Alright, so on the side here, this is the prostate, this is the urinary bladder, this is the ureter, here's the vas deferens that's coming from the spermatic cord, going to, let me get on the other side where you can see vas deferens, and then the ampulla, and then the seminal vesicle right here, and the prostate gland. Alright, let's open up. Now, inside we have the urinary bladder, and then the urethra. The urethra is very long. In a male, you'll notice that this is the representative of the prostate gland. The urethra passes through the prostate gland, and the section where it passes through the prostate gland is known as the prostatic urethra. And then it passes through pelvic floor muscles. That little section right there is the membranous urethra. Then all the rest of this is called the spongy urethra, to where it exits. It's very long on male. What else do I want to show you here? Okay, the penis has 2 types of erectile tissue. It has corpora or corpus spongiosum. That is the erectile tissue that is around the urethra and makes up the entire glands. The second type of erectile tissue is called corpus cavernosum. And this is 2 columns of erectile tissue in the dorsum. So we'll take a look this way. This side of the penis is called the dorsum, so we call it on a flaccid penis. And when we take it off, these 2 columns on the dorsal side is corpus cavernosum, and then here's corpus spongiosum. Okay. That's pretty much it on here, I think.